Alright guys, we're doing a special video today. We got a Jeep Grand Cherokee in, a WK2 version. We're gonna do a leveling kit by AirLinks. They're not a sponsor of this video, but they are a supportive of the Instagram page, so I would do want to give them a little shout out there. Great to work with, super easy to buy. You just email him and you will go ahead and get it set up. I will link him down in the description as a reference. So we're gonna go ahead and install these. We'll put one on the driver's side and we'll put one on the passenger side to level out the Dodge, like old style looking, you know, the slant look. We'll just go ahead and mellow it out. We're gonna level it and then we'll show you how the leveling process looks after. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. Brand new tires on the Jeep Grand Cherokee as well, and then brake rotors and pads. So the AirLink systems have the two rods that will replace the factory stems, set stems that is, because you can't really move them like these ones. If your Jeep does not look level, you can go ahead and adjust the ball points and then adjust the nut to make it tight. So that way it doesn't like move around whenever you drive or not. They do come with the safety pins that you put through the little pins right here, and then you snap it around the ball, or the base of the ball, and then you're good to go. I will do the before and after, and then the process of doing the install as well. What you want to do whenever you're going to install these AirLinks is put your vehicle in off-road mode 2. Make sure your vehicle's on, doors are closed, nobody's in sight. Up 2. And then on the screen you want to go ahead and go to settings. You want to go to suspension. You want to go to tire jack mode. Make sure you guys can see that. Tire jack mode. And then turn off the vehicle. And you should be good to go. So the AirLinks, the stock ones come with the little bendable ones right here. You want to go ahead and pop off the top. And then you want to go ahead and pop off the bottom. But be careful because you will possibly break the sensor. And you do not want to break the sensor. Because that mechanism is a little bit expensive side, and you replace it with this unit. Like I was saying, break loose the top, and the bottom piece will be loose like this, and then just go ahead and pop it out. I went ahead and used the 8mm wrench to pop it loose. As many probably have forgot, please go ahead and adjust your high beams and your low beams or your headlights. As many of you guys might have forgotten, please adjust your headlight beams. If you adjust your front end, obviously you'll have more lift in the light, so you want to go ahead and lower your lights back down to the standard amount, which is you measure up to your height, you measure up to your headlight. Measure the distance, make sure it's level, go all the way back to 25 feet, make sure that it's sitting level with that same point. If it's any higher or lower, make sure you adjust the beam.